There's a charge between us measured in almost. Voltage in my chest, signing volts and lost cause. You're the high point, I'm the low delta V across my scars. When the meter reads the nights, we kept our distance from the stars. We met like probes on a PCB, tracing traces face to face. Saw the promises, I saw the joint that couldn't take the weight. Capacitance of memory, plates hold tension, dielectric dreams. You store storms in the corner of your chest, lightning in the seams. I learned Ohm's law in a textbook, applied it to my heart. I equals V over R, so how much of me can leave and yet not part. Your resistance high, yours insulated like winter coats. My current low but steady, tryna cross, tryna float. Phase shift, our cycles misaligned like AC and DC. You speak in pulses, I stay steady, and that's a mismatch killing me. Impedance to intimacy, reactance to a touch. We measure microvolts of longing, saying nothing feels like too much. There's a charge between us measured in almost. Voltage in my chest, signing volts and lost cause. You're the high point, I'm the low delta V across my scars. When the meter reads the nights, we kept our distance from the stars. We oscillate sinusoidal sorrow, rising crest and dip, repeat transient responses. Spike when you walk in, my graphs don't keep. I'm a circuit with corners where the ghosts collect. Kirchhoff say sum of drops equals sum of climbs. Your silence is a debt. Short circuit temptation, shortcut to connection, but sparks burn clean. We bypass protections, fuse blows, leaving both of us unseen. Polarity flip, negative to positive, still the same. Meet you ground me sometimes, other times you leave me incomplete. Capacitors bleed slowly, memories leak into the night. I'll charge up on hope, then discharge on the first slight. We measuring coulombs, count the tiny pushes that compose us. Quantize the almost subatomic, almost that decomposes. Dielectric breakdown when the pressure gets too loud. Words walk across the gap, ionized electric crowd. I wanna be conductor, not a barrier to your flow, but I'm learning how to bridge a field when I don't even know. Adult problems, bills, load across the line. Your expectations like resistors, changing current in time. I'm building circuits in my head to manage all the strain. Series of compromises, cause cumulative of pain. Parallel possibilities, what if we split the load and both survive? Parallel hearts, sharing voltage so the lights keep staying on inside. But fear's got a switch and regret rewires my hands. Sometimes love's the apparatus and sometimes it's the brands. I read the data, oscilloscope of us. Traces tell me truths, peaks of ecstasy through some silence, repeating like our youth. You taught me how to measure things with instruments and care. How to name the hits between the words, how to stand and still be there. We calibrate apologies, fine-tune in the dark. A potentiometer of forgiveness with a trembling heart. There's a charge between us measured in almost. Voltage in my chest, signing volts and lost cause. You're the high point, I'm the low delta V across my scars. When the meter is the nights, we kept our distance from the stars. Maybe we'll find a ground where sparks don't have to fly. I know what two potentials equalize, where we stop asking why. Until then, I'll keep measuring micro-longings and the cost. Count the coulombs of almost. Learn what's gained and what is lost.